If you want to insert your SIM card on Redmi Note 14 Pro plus 5G, then first of all you will need to prepare the pin ejector that you can find inside the box. And then at the bottom of the device you will find the SIM tray over here on the left side. So here we have the SIM tray, and on the left side of the SIM tray we have this hole, and this is where we insert the pin. So insert the pin and then push it so that the SIM tray comes out a little bit, and then you can use your finger or fingernail in order to take out the SIM tray. There we go. So now we need to place the SIM card into the SIM slot. We need to, of course, make sure that we are matching the shape of the slot, and then just put it in. It should go in really easily without any issues. And just to make sure that it is installed correctly, try to turn it upside down and see if it drops. Of course, be aware that it might still drop if you didn't do that properly. So don't lose your SIM card in the process. Once you put it in, of course, if you want to, you can insert another SIM card at the back because we have dual SIM here, and it goes the same way. There we go. So just put it in, and now we can insert the SIM tray back. And there we go. Push it with your fingers so that it is fully in. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!